Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I have a very exciting announcement. Something I have been working on for you guys for a while. It's an answer to so many special requests and comments and people asking me, how do I learn all of these videos in order? I wish I had a checklist. I wish you could give me a curriculum on how to learn all of your 300 different videos. I have been listening, and I am so excited to announce that today is the launch of the Coach Julia Club. In the Coach Julia Club, you will get all of my instruction, some of it from YouTube, some of it exclusive to the club, organized into progressive learning courses. If you're a brand new skater, you will want to start with level 1 and work your way up through the 25 to 30 different skills covered in each level. Or if you've been skating longer, you can choose a more challenging course starting point to best help you improve your skills. With courses starting at the very easiest level all the way through advanced skating skills and drills, there is something for every skater in the Coach Julia Club. You'll also have access to a private community where you can chat with other club members. You'll have access to live sessions with me, club member only supplemental resources like diagrams, workbooks, music, that kind of thing, and some special members only swag. So with today's launch, I'm so excited to announce we have some special introductory pricing that is going to be good through March 15th. So since this club is still being built out, we have several courses in there for you already, but we're still building out all 10 courses and all 25 to 30 different lessons within those courses. That's going to all be coming up live for you this month. So you're going to be on the club and seeing new courses coming up practically every day, new lessons coming up. So during this sort of beginning time, I have special intro pricing that goes through March 15th. So if you go in and you sign up for Coach Julia Club before March 15th, you get that intro pricing as long as you are a member of the Coach Julia Club. Now, to sign up for the Coach Julia Club, you will go to coachjulia.club or follow the link in the description of this video below. It'll take you straight to the Coach Julia Club. Now, this afternoon, we are going to be doing a live stream here on YouTube so I can answer all of your questions about what we have in store for you with the Coach Julia Club. I'm going to be doing a lot of these live streams in the club, so if you're a member, you will get to chat with me in real time several times a month, which will be really fun. But we're going to do our first one here on YouTube later on today. I'm going to put the time down below, so you'll just come to my page and you'll be able to join that live stream. You'll be able to type in your questions, and I will be answering those questions in real time. All right, I am so excited to have all of you join me at the Coach Julia Club. I've been working so hard to make it amazing for you, and I can't wait to see you all in the live stream this afternoon.